Hi, I'm Mitch, and I'm a process manager and surface mount machine programmer here at Accelerated Assemblies. We specialize in quick turn prototypes, and what this means is that a customer who is looking to build a prototype at a low volume level, they can bring us their information and their data. We can quickly put together a working prototype program for our machines to build for them. One of our primary specialties is working with customers who might be at a university or a school, and they're working on a low volume prototype. They might not always know what they're doing, but we can help kind of guide them along and work with the little snippets of data that we have from them to kind of flesh that out into a more cohesive project. Initially, I used to work in the Automated Optical Inspection. I got to become pretty intimate with the way that our process works and how we inspect the boards. I now have the advantage of programming the actual component layout or our surface mount, so I get to see the initial layout for our boards. Having the background within the optical inspection arena, I can kind of tie those two together and know what a good optical inspection program should look like as well. What it should be looking for, what are the key features it should be inspecting, and having that intimate knowledge with the programming side on the surface mount, that allows me to come 360, full circle, and then help and aid in creating a good inspection process as well. We're working with high volume and we have a lot of time constraints, but we're small enough to have a good, close working relationship with our customers. If I find something during process or during programming that doesn't quite look right or that I have a few questions on, we're able to get in contact with the customer pretty quickly due to our dedicated sales staff and office staff with any questions that we have or suggestions that we might have, like for design for manufacturing. So we do get that close working relationship where we're able to implement the changes for them at a very quick level, usually less than 24 hours. Over the last 2 years especially, we've tried to make some pretty massive process changes in terms of the equipment that we use and how we utilize it. We've brought in new machinery to supplement our surface mount production. We've gotten rid of older machinery that wasn't as efficient, whether that's energy efficient or it wasn't as efficient at production. And then we've also been able to reorganize and move things around in our warehouse in a way that's more logical. One of the big things that we've done recently is implemented a new inventory management system, and it's a high-tech system, right? It's all computer-driven and barcode-driven. Each operator or inventory specialist, they have to log in. There's a method of logging in and being accountable for the inventory process. The technology that we've implemented has made that system a lot more accessible for the operators and easier to understand. Yeah, so again, I'm Mitch, and I work in process management and surface mount technology programming. Bring us your parts. Can't wait to get your next challenge. We want to build it for you, whether it's small or big. We enjoy doing everything, and looking forward to it.